Hey there, future SEO superstar. Welcome to the exciting world of search engine optimization. Don't worry if it all seems a bit overwhelming right now. Today, we're going to break down one of the most fundamental and powerful skills you must learn when handling SEO. Keyword research. Let us show you how to do a keyword research using a free tool from Google. Ready to dive in? Let's go. Keywords are simply the words and phrases people type into search engines to find information, products, or services. As an SEO pro, our job is to figure out what those keywords are so we can create content that shows up when people search for them. It's like being a detective, but instead of solving crimes, we're solving the mystery of what people want to find. In this video, I am going to use Google Ads Keyword Planner. Even though it's part of Google Ads, which is for paid advertising, it's an incredible free tool for SEO keyword research. Before we even touch Keyword Planner, let's do a little brainstorming. Think about your topic or your business. What are the main things people would search for to find you? These are what we call seed keywords. They're the starting points that will help us find hundreds more. Let's say you have a blog about baking delicious cookies. Your seed keywords might be cookie recipes, chocolate chip cookies, baking tips, easy cookie recipes. Write down as many of these broad ideas as you can. Don't overthink it at this stage. Just get those initial thoughts out. All right, now for the fun part. We're going to use the Google Ads Keyword Planner. First, open your Google Ads account. Once you are in your Google Ads account, on your left-hand side, you can see an option called Tools. Click that Tools option. Then click Keyword Planner button in here. There, you have 3 options. Among these options, you need to select Discover New Keywords. Now, remember those seed keywords we brainstormed? Type a few of them into the box provided, 1 per line. For our cookie example, we might put cookie recipes, chocolate chip cookies, and baking tips. Now click Get Results. You'll now see a whole treasure trove of keyword ideas. Don't be overwhelmed. We're going to focus on a few key things. First, look at average monthly searches. This tells you roughly how many times per month people search for that keyword. Higher numbers mean more potential traffic. We're looking for keywords that have a decent amount of searches, but not necessarily the highest. Then, look at the competition for keywords. Keyword Planner shows competition, which is usually for advertisers. For SEO purposes, we're looking for keywords that aren't super competitive if we're just starting out. Now, look at keyword ideas. Scroll down and you'll see tons of related keyword ideas that Google has generated based on your seed keywords. This is where the magic happens. You'll find longer, more specific phrases, often called long-tail keywords, that are fantastic for beginners. You've got this massive list. How do you choose? Here's a simple strategy for beginners. First, look for long-tail keywords. These are phrases with 3 or more words. For example, instead of just cookies, look for easy chocolate chip cookie recipe for kids or how to make vegan peanut butter cookies. Long-tail keywords usually have lower search volume, but they are much less competitive, making it easier for your new website or blog to rank. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more digital marketing tips.